Hello everyone, myself Saloni Gupta. So if you remember that in yesterday's session we already did the topics that are very important in your module C and module B. Now in today's session I'll be telling you what are the important topics, some of the important topics that you should never miss when you are preparing for your ABM paper. Now, so in module D, you have 10 to 15 topics that are very important, like different types of risk, the annihilation, business, strategic, compliance, liquidity, interest. So all the types of risk, inherent risk, very important. Then we have loan review mechanism, the loan LRM, that is important. Then SEBI LODR, so listing obligation and disclosure requirement, so listing agreements. Then compliance policy, the loan policy of the bank. Then WBP, that is whistleblower policy, and dual hatting, the roles and responsibilities of chief compliance officer. Then risk based internal audit, head of internal audit, GRC framework, integrated GRC framework. Then what is the threshold limit of in fraud chapter, all the limits, all the days, that is very important. Then in NBFC we have 4 layers of NBFC, so all the layers, what are the difference between all the layers and what are the things that you have to see in the layers. Then the transition plan, so how one NBFC is going to another NBFC, another layer, then what transition plan that we have to follow. Then we have types of audit, okay, compliance policy, compliance culture. Then the all the cyber threats, okay, cyber crimes, frauds, DDoS, APT, phishing, spoofing, all these are the different frauds that we have to study. Then different types of vigilance, okay, punitive, detective, all the types of vigilance. Then we have some more topics related to your like retaliation, okay, the whistleblower will get retaliation or not, the confidentiality is to be maintained. Then all the things that are related to compliances, that point is very important, okay. So all the categories, the FGMO, the ROZO, branches will send a report to ROZO, then ROZO to risk officer. So that chart, that table is very important. Now, so already we are having our sessions on YouTube. So we have completed the marathon session, module B, C and D, because I take only 3 modules. So if you haven't watched those sessions, kindly go and watch. And on 28 and 29 we are having marathon sessions starting at 6 p.m. onwards. So do watch the live session on 28 and 29, 6 p.m. onwards. So where we will be discussing one last time, we will be doing revision of all the 3 modules B, C and D. So thank you very much, and let's meet in our live classes.